Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure your TV is actually running Google TV or has the Google TV app installed. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, power on the TV, connect the remote or pair your phone as a temporary remote, and choose language and privacy options so setup can proceed. Make sure your Wi-Fi name and password are handy. Doing these items first speeds everything else up and prevents interruptions during the account and network steps that follow. Now sign in and connect. Pick your Wi-Fi network and enter the password so the TV can download updates and apps. A quick connection test confirms internet access. Next, sign in with your Google account. This syncs purchases, preferences, and recommendations. Make sure to allow required permissions so voice, casting, and assistant features work. Then update system apps and install streaming apps you use most. This ensures smooth playback and surface recommendations tailored to you. Finish by customizing your home screen. Pin favorite apps to the top row, hide unused inputs, and enable voice remote for quick searches. Link your phone apps to cast content and add multiple user profiles so recommendations stay relevant. Turn on automatic updates to keep apps secure and set parental controls or a PIN if required. If something goes wrong, try a quick reboot and recheck Wi-Fi credentials. Often a restart and reconnect resolves sign-in or streaming errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.